Dom and Finn here from Essential RC, and we have a couple of new jets. AMX-F, what is this?
That's a
MiG-17.
Yeah.
MiG-17.
MB-339.
That's an MB-339 Mackie. And they're both powered by how many cells?
3S.
Yeah.
3S, yes.
1,300 in this. But what pack do we recommend
That's
in
got
that
the MiG's got 2,200 just because the COG works out better. Plus you get longer flight times.
one? Yeah.
Very efficient because there's no ducting. It's so, you know, like a lot of jets have side ducting like that one, and the air gets disturbed and therefore slowed down. But F-86s and those types of MiG-17s, it just goes straight through. So it's very efficient. I love the look of that MB-339. That's nice.
It's a good colour scheme, isn't it?
So you've flown these a bit already. You flew them out in Germany, didn't
Yeah,
you? So they're looking a little battered. That's why they're not pristine out of the box,
Yeah.
because they've had the odd knock.
Yeah.
To be fair, that one was Dad's. To be fair.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
this
I
one was
scratched that
Trevor's.
one.
Yeah, this was mine.
Okay. So we're so they're very easy to glue together, aren't they, Trev?
Well, I did it in the pitch black with a torch. If that, if that shows how easy they are.
Right. Okay. So very quick to put together, and you put in your receiver, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, literally receiver, battery,
Okay.
ready to go. There is one thing I did modify on the MiG. It's got really long push rods for the elevator.
Yep.
And in the box you get a little bit of carbon tube, so there's no instructions where they go. So what I've done, I actually glued it on the side because I noticed there was so much flex in the control rods, it was affecting it, so I did a quick mod and it seems to work fine.
Okay. Good. Let's fly them then. Who's gonna hand launch this for me, or do you think it'll hand
You
launch?
can, you'll be alright. If I can hand launch it by myself, you'll be fine, Dom.
Yeah.
All right. Hand launch with the right hand like that.
Yeah, that's how I
Do
did
you
it.
think it'll go off straight?
Should we see if we can hit them together?
We're going to try and fly formation circuits
You know,
to start off with.
Oh,
Yes, before we break them.
Right, good luck. Oh, that's been. Oh, that's close. I heard a crash. Unfortunately, I missed it. Do you reckon it's coming off the trees, or it's just?
Yeah, maybe it's the triangular.
Oh, we got Finn back in on the action, so it couldn't have been that bad a crash then if you're back up again.
Yeah, I just lost the range. Oh, don't hang up the phone. Yeah, sorry, hang up.
He spends more time running around picking it up than flying.
Yeah.
I'm concentrating on flying.
What? Yeah, my EDF unit's not attached. Let's fly it.
Keep the speed up.
Do Do you know something? That's why I crashed it. It just bites you all of a sudden if you go too slow.
Yeah, if you go too slow, yeah.
It feels like it wants to go slow, but then it just sort of gets a bit of a wobble on.
Yeah, when you come back through.
Pretty good though, eh? You can fly in a tight space with these quite nicely.
Yeah, for an EDF. Ben, let me fix it before you break it more.
They broke.
What, you said the EDF's leased, didn't you?
Stand back, Finn. Handbrake turn. That's pretty good. Actually, I thought it was it turned a little, rolled a little strangely, but that's purely down to me trying to fly it too slow. You do have to keep the speed up. But I like that. Even within, there's quite a lot of turbulence off the top of the trees. You can see that they're going to get knocked around. But Finn,
Yeah, mine's fine.
it's fine. But the engine is outside of the airframe.
Okay, good job I brought glue.
Look,
Yeah, let me get that glued back in then, Finn. We'll
part
have
2
another round.
coming soon, where Finn actually does some flying rather than some running around and picking it up. Thanks for watching. Anyway, see you soon.
Adios. So, yeah, that went well. My one's okay. That'll fly. Dom's one.
When it will do after you've put that back inside the fuselage, I think. I think it needs to be inside the fuselage.
Okay, it'll fly.
It'll fly.
And Dom's one didn't break, so that's good.
No, because I was being sensible.
And so yeah, they're good planes, good quality. They fly amazing, and they've got a bit of turbulence. And yeah, they were pretty good though.
Good laugh, aren't they, for what they are?
Yeah, they're pretty nice. I love them.
Thanks
Yeah.
for watching Flying Finn RC.
And see you
Auf
next
Wiedersehen.
time.
Adios.
Adios.
And goodbye. Yep.
Okay, let's
All right.
launch. Better take
This
off
is
those rocks.
Finn's idea, not mine. Ready?
Hell yeah. You know, that's how you launch a plane properly.
That's exciting.
Oh no, we still have this landing. There you go.
It wasn't supposed to be an inverted landing, man.
I did the dabs.
Did it, Dad?
Inverted takeoff, vertical land.
Adios.
Adios.
Walk of
Oh,
shame.
I love this one.
Walk of
I
shame.
think he'd done that on purpose, you know.
I think he did.
Yeah, I reckon
He's
he
been
did.
watching that other YouTube channel too.
Yeah, the one where they just smash all their planes
Was it
up.
Dad's RC hangar? No, not that one.
Not essential.
Chris
I'm trying to
behaves.
think.
Chris behaves on that one.
Yeah,
Essential RC, no. Dom behaves on that one.
Yeah.
It's someone's hangar.
oh, that was a bit of fun. No, so that was really good fun.
Excellent fun.
Cheap fun as well,
Yeah.
considering
You
literally
can just chuck them. I mean, they're sub 250 grams, so you can just fly them carefully down the park if no one else is around.
Yeah.
Brilliant. All right.
Good fun.
We'll let Finn. Oh God.
Oh, there goes the rudder.
You're just going to have to take it home and fix it.
I know.
Glad I caught that.
That's what
Evidence.
dads do. Just like the planes just magically fix
You
themselves
buy them and you
overnight.
fix them, but you
Yeah.
don't fly them. Leave that to the vandal.
Yeah.
Right. Oh dear.
Kids, eh? Who'd
Kids,
have 'em?
eh? Kids, yeah. See you next time, folks.
Adios.
Oh my God.
Yeah.